So we're going to start standing up, and we're going to bring ourselves into mountain pose by taking the feet out, down, and placing the feet down. And then just lifting into a tall spine. Breathing. Just let the toes spread and move. And with your eyes closed, without clawing the toes, just explore the weight moving forward. And then explore the weight moving back. Notice what happens, that your legs engage and your core. And then bring that weight forward again. And backwards. And then kind of what central is at the moment, and take the weight to the sides of the foot on each side, so maybe to the left. And your eyes are still closed, you're going to take the weight over to the feet, sides of the feet. So maybe to the left of one foot and the inside of the other. You're going to go all the way back across to the first side and feel that weight distribution. Feel how the weight's pulling you over. And back across to the following side. And then bring yourself back to neutral. Maybe just move the tailbone around a little circle, and then find a point which you feel is centre. So the weight's neither too far back nor too far forward, in the centre of your line of your body. And see if you can lift the toes off the ground without the rest of the feet moving. And notice even though your eyes are closed and your body's relatively still, there is still movement happening. And place the feet back down. And then just allow yourself to sway from side to side, letting the knee bend as you move across on each side. And explore that movement and that rhythm. Notice how the spine responds and how maybe your energy naturally just wants to move in a certain way, and you're just going to allow that energy, the universal energy and the vibration, to move through you. Feeling at ease as you do it. We're not clawing the toes. And then maybe taking the feet slightly wider and bending into the knee on one side, and then shifting the weight over to the other side. And again, feeling that sway move. And your eyes are closed. And note where the weight is in the feet and the hips, and how your knees are responding. Maybe start swaying and twisting your shoulders to the side as you're moving. And there's no effort in the arms. Maybe you might want to let that movement get quicker or slower. Maybe let the head begin to move at the top as well. And just explore different movements of the shoulder to see how the weight changes and the feet change and the sway feels right or wrong. And then just stay over to one side and just let the body, top of the body, sway while that side is taking most of the weight. And then over to the other side, let the arms and the shoulders sway. Then back to centre, moving through the hips, making figure of eights with the hips. Back to neutral. And then let anything move that needs to. And then bring your feet in. Find that central point again. Maybe move through the feet to reach it. And then just place your hands on the tops of your thighs. A little squeeze with the fingers against the tops of the thighs. Feeling your weight being pulled down into the earth. Take that breath in. Exhale, release the hands and just Scan your body. Be aware of the sensations or any movement that happens, but also how you feel in yourself. And stay here for as long as you need to. I'm done. I am done.